the unusual day of the burping butterflies. Once upon a time, in the little town of Bellygiggle, there was a field filled with the most beautiful flowers you've ever seen. This wasn't an ordinary field, though. It was a field filled with burping butterflies. Burping butterflies were not like other butterflies. They were incredibly colorful, sparkled in the sun, and had the most peculiar habit. They burped after they drank nectar. Yes, you heard that right. The more nectar they sipped, the more they burped. And oh, how the children of Bellygiggle loved to hear the butterflies burp. It always sent them into fits of giggles. One sunny morning, a young girl named Pippa was skipping through the field when she noticed something odd. All the butterflies were silent. No burps to be heard. Pippa wondered what could be wrong. Perhaps they've lost their burps, she thought aloud. Pippa decided she must help the butterflies find their burps again. But how? And then an idea popped into her head. Soda pop. Pippa ran to her house, fetched a huge jar of fizzy soda pop, and returned to the field. She poured the soda into the flowers, and as the butterflies sipped the nectar, their burps began to return. Pippa started to giggle as one by one the butterflies began to burp, each sounding funnier than the last. The sound of burping butterflies filled the air, followed by the laughter of children who came running to the field. The burping butterflies were back, and they were burpier than ever. The children clapped, and the butterflies burped, each burp echoing through the field, causing an orchestra of laughter. From that day forward, the butterflies always sipped a little bit of soda pop with their nectar, ensuring they kept their special burps. And Pippa, she was hailed as the hero of Bellygiggle, the girl who saved the burping butterflies. And so the tale of the burping butterflies and Pippa became the most told story in Bellygiggle, always ending in a chorus of burps and giggles. And everyone lived burpily and, of course, giggly ever after.